Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how you can set up this POS system on your local machine. So you have the dashboard here where you get some categories, customers, products, and also some nice graphs over here that shows you what you have. And if you want to view the categories and add categories, you go to the categories tab over here and you can basically just add categories. You can also so you can add categories here, right? So you can also check the customers, so the list of customers that you have. You can add customers, check the sales, manage sales, basically do everything that you want, and generate sales report as well. Yes, so you can generate sales report, publish it to Excel, and then show by the days. So I think it's a very complete system, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use this. So just a quick disclaimer, this is not my system. I didn't build this. I found it on an online repo somewhere, and the only problem was that it was built to be compatible with PHP 5, right? PHP version 5 or something like that. So if you were having any system that's above PHP version 5, like 6 or 7, you won't be able to run it. It will throw in a whole lot of errors. So I found it, and I said, okay, let me just try and see if I can debug and fix it. And yes, I was able to get it to work. So I do not own the system. Just a quick disclaimer, I don't own the system. So that's just what I want to put out there. But I think they made it such a way that you can share it for educational purposes, right? So this is purely educational purpose, and so that's what I'm just going to show you how you do it in this video. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so to get this project up and running, what you need is you need to have XAMPP installed on your machine, right? So you need to have XAMPP installed, and right here you need to have it installed, and then just start Apache and then MySQL. So you start these two, and then you head over to phpMyAdmin over here. Okay, so under phpMyAdmin you create a new database, and then you have to name it PO system, right? PO system. That you have to give it a name. You have to call it PO system like this, right? Good. So after you create the database, the next thing you need to do is, I've already created it, so I'm not going to do it here. So you create the POS system here like this. The next thing you need to do is to the zip file that you download. You find the link in the description, right? Or it will be on the Telegram channel. I don't know. It will be any of them. So if you don't find it there, you go to the Telegram channel and you find the POS system here. So you extract it to the htdocs folder, right? Extract it to the htdocs folder. And what you need is this file, the database file, this one. Okay, right? So here, so assuming this is your database, which I've already created mine, so yours, you probably don't have these tables. So you create it, and then you come to import, and then you come and choose file. So you select choose file from here, and then you navigate to where you have the SQL file uploaded, right? So it's in my drive C. So you go to this PC, local disk, under XAMPP, htdocs, POS, and then database file, right? So you import this and just click on open like that, right? Then afterwards you just click on the import to import these tables. Because I already have it, I'm not doing it again, right? So you only do that, and after that you head over to localhost/pos/login, okay, and then you get this interface. So just that, and then you type in the username and then password. So the username is admin and the password is code astro. They'll all be in the Telegram channel or in the link description, right? So you click on login and you can get to use this system, right? So yeah, that's just all I wanted to make. I plan to keep my videos very short. This system I think has a lot of potential, but like I said, I do not own the system. It's not mine. I found it online. So all I did was just make some few changes to the bugs that were there. For those who want to use this for educational purposes, feel free to try it out, and I'll leave the link in the description down below, right? And you can also join our Telegram channel where I'll put a lot of stuff over there. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.